to fill your appetite. Main dish. Easy 15 minutes, 321 calories. 1. In a heated pan, add the beef slices and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked through. 2. Add in the cooked beans, garlic, onion and soy sauce and continue to stir-fry for another 5 minutes. 3. Serve warm and enjoy. Ingredients for 1 person. -1/2 cup of cooked beans. -4 ounces beef, cut into thin slices. -1 teaspoon of minced garlic. -1 tablespoon of diced onion. -1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Asterisk ingredients for 1 person.